Hey there, all you sneeze wizards and bless you champs. You ever wonder why we say, bless you, when someone sneezes? No, it's not because they're about to turn into a werewolf. Well, at least not that we know of. Back in ye old times, folks believed a sneeze could literally expel your spirit from your body. Kind of a free trial of being a ghost, but not so fun when you think about it. To prevent any kind of spirit-losing disaster, people would say, bless you, as a quick save button. Today, your soul's probably not making a break for it mid-sneeze, but we still say, bless you, as a polite reflex. It's like a tiny, daily reminder of the wacky things our ancestors used to believe. So, next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just air escaping, it's history repeating. Bless you, indeed.